Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This Mitsubishi is a 220 VAC spindle motor control used in a HAAS VF-4 vertical tapping mill. ERD personnel removed this drive from the HAAS, and within a week we had it rebuilt and reinstalled in the vertical mill. ERD does provide on-site service if needed. In this video, the spindle drive is being tested on our test motor for proper operation. After this checkout, it was then reinstalled on-site and then tested at the full 7,500 RPM that the system is capable of providing. We also provided a copy of the installed parameters and a wiring hookup sheet for the drive, since no wiring diagram was ever provided by HAAS. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.